If you're looking to use ShopWired for multi-currency transactions, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set it up quickly and what to expect from this feature. Stick around to the end because we'll also highlight some alternatives that may serve your needs better. First off, ShopWired has made it relatively straightforward to add multi-currency options to your online store. This is a crucial feature if you're expanding globally, but it's important to know the strengths and limitations of the platform. ShopWired gives you the ability to display prices in multiple currencies, depending on your customer's location. However, it's not always as seamless as you'd expect, and there are some things you'll need to keep in mind. Next thing, the setup process is simple, but it can take some time to get everything working the way you want. You can enable multiple currencies from the Settings menu in your ShopWired dashboard. From there, you'll need to select the currencies you want to offer. It's a step-by-step process, but it doesn't automatically convert prices based on user location, which can be a downside. You'll have to manually set conversion rates or integrate with a third-party service. Now, let's talk about payment gateways. While ShopWired supports multiple currencies, it's only compatible with certain payment providers. For example, PayPal and Stripe work well with ShopWired's multi-currency setup, but you may find compatibility issues with other less popular gateways. Be sure to double-check the supported payment options to avoid any headaches down the line. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customization. While ShopWired gives you a lot of flexibility, if you're looking for more advanced customization, you may hit a wall. For instance, the way ShopWired handles currency switching on the front end is fairly basic. There's no automatic currency switcher based on location unless you implement some custom coding or third-party apps. That could be a deal breaker if you're looking for a seamless customer experience. Moving on to the fifth thing, performance. ShopWired is generally fast and reliable, but when you add multi-currency functionality, it can slightly slow down your site, especially when customers are choosing between different currencies. This may not be a huge issue, but it's something to consider, particularly if your site relies heavily on speed for conversions. Now, you might be wondering if there's something better out there for multi-currency support. The truth is, while ShopWired is a solid option, it isn't always the best at handling complex international transactions. For those looking for a more robust multi-currency setup, you might want to look at alternatives that offer more advanced features like automatic currency conversion, more payment gateway options, and seamless integration. At the end of the day, ShopWired is a good platform for businesses starting to dip their toes into international sales. However, if you're aiming for more advanced multi-currency features, you'll want to check out some alternatives, and I've got some exclusive options for you. If you want to take ShopWired for a spin, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial for you, so you can explore the multi-currency features and decide if it's the right fit. But if you're still undecided, I'll link to some alternatives that have free trials as well, and trust me, these alternatives may be better suited to your goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check out the links in the description for more details.